Good morning. My name is Roberto Rossi, founder and president of Synergy Dental Ceramics, a small high-quality laboratory located in Long Island, New York. We focus on aesthetics, functions, and all sorts of fixed prosthodontists. Having been in business for over 30 years now, and we are committed to deliver always the highest quality as possible by innovating with new products, doing some hands-on demonstrations on how to use and make use of these ETNA burrs from Komet. Very useful for in-house laboratory, for laboratory in general, and for dentists in their office when they're doing occlusal adjustment, contact, and et cetera, et cetera. As we know, it's very important for all ceramic restorations to be handled properly, especially after grinding it with diamonds. We want to make sure that we use the proper wheels to polish it and bring it back to the luster of the glaze that originally was delivered with. The materials and the wheels that we're using today are new to the company, Komet. They're right here. I love using them in the lab, but I think it's important that dentists are aware that these are also useful for their dental offices. What we do usually, we take, in this case, a zirconia just to show a small demonstration. A zirconia gets usually adjusted by one of these diamond burrs, which are delicate, but they do leave some lines that are crucial for the zirconia or Emax. So it's important to follow up after that adjustments, to follow up with the semi-gross ETNA wheel to polish it. And as you can see, it just gives you that beautiful, clean, and lifelike material back in zirconia. So obviously you can go from that to the next one where we'll give even more of the natural appearance to it. And this is not only needed for making the restoration, again, look as natural as possible, but also saves from internal fractures caused by the diamond when it was used against it. Therefore, your restoration not only will look better, but will last longer. So it's not something that you should avoid in a dental office and after adjusting or making proper occlusal adjustments. We do also use at times a paste with this other wheel to remove and bring the eye shine even higher. This wheel is pretty amazing because it will polish it, it will give the proper finishing touch to the zirconia or to the Emax, whichever material you use. There is also another way you can use this is for when you're doing your temporizations and you want to make sure that your temporaries are nice and polished so they could be very adapted to your tissue, your soft tissue, and create a better foundation for when the impression needs to be taken. Again, PMMA is a material that it's now today CAD-CAM and milled, so the porosity are minimal to none. Therefore, you can polish them with this wheel and get these results, which I have experienced incredible result with soft tissues adaptation to this. Here it goes. This is how they come out of the mill, and this is how you can finish them with just a little touch of this wheel and a little paste. From that to full zirconia restorations that can be done again and polished after any adjustments. These are the pastes that we use. And these are the ETNA wheels. Thank you for stopping by the booth.